Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is in partnership with Inecto, and we are going to be learning how to color our hair at home. And I say learning because this was honestly my first time coloring my afro myself, so I'm extremely excited to be sharing this entire process with you guys. So first I'll be going in with the Inecto Caramel Blonde Permanent Hair Color Cream. This is something that's going to help lift the color out of my hair. As you guys know, I have black natural hair or extremely dark brown, so this is something that's going to help the color that we're going to be going in later appear more vibrant and visible. So I'm first going to go in with the tube of color and cream, and I'm popping this into my plastic container, and then after that I'll be mixing that with the developer cream that comes in the kit. There is also a pair of gloves, a mixing stick, as well as an instruction leaflet, so it is something that is extremely easy to use. This product does have aloe as well as milk protein, which is something that just helps protect your hair during the coloring process. So now, as you guys can see, I am mixing this in with my comb teeth. You can obviously use the mixing stick if you want to. I don't know why I didn't use the mixing stick, by the way, but girl, I guess this worked. Now I'm going to section my natural hair into 4 parts. This is just something that's going to help you distribute the product well all over your hair. Now the one tip I will give you guys is that if you have a lot of hair, or if you have longer hair than me, I would highly recommend that you get 2 packs of the hair color cream, because I really struggled with the one kit. I felt like it wasn't really enough. I didn't get to bleach all the way down to the roots. So if you wanted to lift your if you want the product to lift all of your hair's color, then I would highly recommend that you get 2 permanent hair color cream kits. So I'm just going to be working this all over my hair. The gloves are a very crucial part, by the way, and when you're done with the gloves, don't throw them away, because you guys are about to see what happened to me, because I didn't wear gloves when I was actually coloring my hair. And then now I'm going to leave that on for 30 minutes. You can leave it on for less, but I would highly recommend that you leave it on for 30 minutes or even 35, because the color does take quite a while to lift. 30 minutes later, these are the results. As you guys can see, the product didn't go all the way down to my roots, so there definitely are some parts that look like the color didn't lift well enough, but the conditioning hair color is extremely pigmented, so the color will come through anyway. So this is the mess that happened, guys. I forgot to put on gloves for the hair coloring part, so my hands were definitely stained for a couple of days, but it's not a train smash because the color does come out eventually. The product I am using is the Inecto Conditioning Hair Color, which comes in Cranberry Crush. This is a reddish violet brown, and this product is infused with jojoba oil, which is known for conditioning benefits. So this is something that helps protect your hair while you're coloring it. It's very much a 2-in-1 product, works as a hair dye as well as a hair conditioner, and it just gives your hair that very vibrant hair color. I was very surprised to see how well the color came through, especially considering that this is my first time. So this is a product I would highly recommend for at-home use. They have a wide selection of color. There's a blue, there's a green, there's a pink. What else do they have? Yeah, there's quite a few options. I'll probably just insert the color chart on the screen so that you guys can see. So as you guys can see, after rinsing my hands, this is what I was left with. But I promise you, after 2 or 3 days, the color is completely off your hands. So it's not that much of a train smash. And I'm going to leave that on for exactly 20 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it out of my hair and show you guys the final product. I am so happy with how it came out. Literally, the color is perfect. It's not too much, yet it is extremely vibrant and definitely present and there. So if you guys do want to try out these products, you guys can shop them at our local beauty supply stores. Don't forget to tag me in your hair color pictures and also tag Inecto. Thank you so much for tuning in, my loves. I will see you guys next time. Mwah.